I'm going to make pasta frola, or in Lebanon they call it Mabrousheh. Here are the ingredients. You need 1 cup of sugar, 3 cups all-purpose flour. I want to get the zest from lemon, 2 eggs, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And you need some preserves, fruit preserves, and 1 cup of butter. To make mixing the butter and the sugar easy, I'm going to soften the butter in the microwave in 10-second increments until I get a soft butter that's going to mix easier with the sugar. See, the butter is not 100% melted, but pretty soft. So now is the time to put the sugar in. The 1 cup sugar. We are combining the sugar and the butter. Now add your lemon zest. Now add your vanilla. Mix. Add the quarter teaspoon salt. Mix. Add the 2 eggs. Mix. Okay. Now we're going to add the baking powder and the flour. It's a good idea to sift the flour. Add half. Sift it. The baking powder. Sift it. Now, when you added the half, it's a good idea to mix a little bit before adding the rest of it. Now sift the rest of the flour. Now this is your dough. You have to make the dough. Okay, now the dough is soft but not sticky. That's when you want to make it a little bit harder. We're going to remove 1/4 of this. To remove 1/4, okay? So if this is the half, this must be the 1/4. So remove this 1/4, put it aside. And this portion that you removed, put it in the freezer. Just like that. 1 hour in the freezer. Now, let's prepare our baking sheet. Spray some olive oil. And then sprinkle some flour. This dough goes flat on the bottom. Spread it evenly. It's time to make your preserve. You need minimum 1.5 cups. This is 1.5 cups. I'm going to use 1/2 cup mulberry preserve and apricot preserve. All right, 1.5 cups of fruit preserve. See, the mulberries are intact, so we have to crush this or blend it all together. That's exactly 1.5 cups. Now you're going to spread the fruit preserve on top of this. You may use a spoon to spread it. I'll preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is getting preheated, remove that dough that was in the freezer and grate it on top of this fruit preserve using the large side.